Are you looking for a keto-friendly, fluffy cream cheese icing that actually tastes good? Well, you've come to the right place. Let's get cooking. Add your butter into your mixer. Followed by your cream cheese. And then mix it all together until it is nice and smooth. Now you want to make sure that both of those ingredients are room temperature, because if they're not, they will become very clumpy and you do not want clumpy frosting. Unless you do want clumpy frosting, then I guess ignore everything I just said. Keeping your mixer at a medium to low speed, you're going to add in your vanilla next. Now very slowly add in your powdered sugar into your mixer. So if you add it too quickly and just dump it all in, it's going to get very clumpy very quickly and it won't have time to really process into the cream cheese and the butter. So be patient, slow and steady wins the race. Give it a good fold through to make sure there's no clumpy bits in there, and then you're good to go. You have a beautiful, fluffy cream cheese icing. I will be making a cake recipe next week that will go perfectly with this. Maybe comment below if you have any guesses to what it might be. I wonder. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please remember to like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel as well if you want to see videos just like this one, and have a nice day. See you later.